So look, this is a great, quick way to stud your walls. And I know everybody does things differently. This is how me and Tom do it. We like the solid blow. We like all that. We chose to use Go Board back here and other products like that. I want to show you quickly how to do this because a lot of people, everybody does things differently. This is how me and Tom do it. First off, we use clamps just about everywhere on everything. And I know it ain't rocket science. You can set a stud right here. If you're trying to figure out your pitch line, look at that. You can just clamp right to it. That way, as we enter the screw, we knew every one of these studs needed to be up front, touching, because the wall actually walked out to be plumb versus the original studs that are here. They're too far back. And that's going to make our wall in the corner go up at an angle. And when this tile hits this tile at the finish, you're going to see that piece of pie grow. And we don't like that. So, easy and simple to put a clamp here. That way when you put your screw in, the 2x4 is not walking or shifting. It gets harder over here in the corner. There's nothing to clamp to. So our first little thing we do is reverse those just like this. And now we're able to pressurize away. So that pins that, keeps that from walking. Once you get those in, the first one you want to do is always the outside of what you need or the inside. Doesn't matter which order you do the outside or the inside. Once you have the out, once you have the in, then you plug your stuff in the middle. How we do it, once we have all that in play, anybody that knows, these suckers are expensive. As you can tell, something smacked ours, I don't know, a while ago and put that little black mark right there. But we can always see right here in this side, and we've used this long enough to know we can kind of see past that, maybe a little bit harder in your camera angle. But this is what I want to show you, because if you just take something 4 foot, which this is, and you put it right here, and it reads off, it reads right, you're not plumbing the entire length. You're actually short. So this could be dead on right here, but only from here to here. You need this entire span plumbed. So what we do, to dodge buying the bigger version of this digital, super expensive. So we bought one and we make one work. Now we take the same level, just not digital. We set this up here, just like so. See how that goes, the whole span. Then we take this level on top, boom. Just like that, come over here and take a look. 000. Now, take a look. There's the bottom. Here's the middle. And lastly, all the way up. 000. Okay? That's how we do each one of those. Once we had this one up and plumb, once we had this one up and plumb, our inside and our outside, that dictates the entire plumb wall. Now it's simple. Now we actually take a different level. This one here can slide out, grow, shorten, so it makes great. So we already knew everything needed to touch the tub, and as it went up, these 2x4s need to come out towards us. So once we had this one and this one, we screwed this one in with the clamp like we showed you so that we could still move it how we want. We set this up here. We touched over here with this foot, just like that. And then that told us where to bring this one. We clamped it, we screwed it. Then we came down halfway and we checked that. Then we screwed it. Then lastly, when all this was right, we put the big one up here and we moved the 4-footer low, medium, high to make sure that everything was plumb. This wall is as plumb as it gets, even though this house is X amount of years old. So look, now that the wall's up secure, this is what I want to show you. Dead in the corner, plumb as you can get. Even if that said 0.01, I mean, that is like a 30-second. I mean, you couldn't even squeeze a piece of paper in that, but look. What'd I tell you? It just flashed to that 0.1. So, I mean, we are within the spec, man. I mean, it ain't going to get no tighter, no closer. We'll bring this over here. Look at that right there. Boom. We'll take that all day long. All day long. That's what I'm talking about. And then pretty much anywhere you put this guy, we're reading 0.01 right there. It's sitting here on the fence. Look at that. All day long. So, I mean, as close to Plumb as we can get that to the spec. That's the way me and Tom do it. Hope that helps you at home.